If you are a freelancer on Upwork and if you didn't know about the Upwork affiliate program, you might have been missing a whole lot of opportunities as I did. So recently I was publishing videos about Fiverr affiliate program where I was inviting potential clients to Fiverr, and whenever they purchase something I was getting commissions. And if I just show you, I was making a decent amount of money from this platform doing almost nothing other than sharing my affiliate links to potential clients. Now recently I found out information about the Upwork affiliate program and then I started trying it. So if I show you here, so far I have generated around 27 clicks through my tracking link in this platform, and other than that in total I must probably generated around 100 clicks. And if I just show you the result, so just take a look here. Over the last 7 days, I have got 2 actions on Upwork, and so far I have got $84 from one single conversion, which is really fantastic. And I'm going to share some information which is going to be mind blowing for you, I'm sure. So if I take you here on this reports page, and from here, if I click on this performance by brand option, and you are going to see so far I have generated like 52 clicks on Upwork over the last 7 days period. And if you just take a look, I have generated 2 actions, and out of these actions, one client spent $120 on his or her first purchase, and I have got 70% out of these 120, which is $84. So now if you're freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr, sometimes it happens like you find some clients on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or from any other resource, and then you invite them on the marketplace to have a secure environment, and then you get paid only the amount that been settled as the budget of the project. But if you could have Fiverr affiliate link, if you could have Upwork affiliate link, and if you could have invited clients through that affiliate link, you could have earned around 70%, up to 70% extra commissions. So let me explain. If I take you here on affiliate program, and if you just take a look, recommend Upwork, earn commissions, this is the Upwork affiliate program page. And if I take you here, first of all, you have to sign up, then you have to promote your affiliate links, and then based on the first purchase amount, you are gonna get 70% of that amount as your affiliate commission. So I'm gonna share more information. Here we go. So get 70% of the first contract spent up to 150 for every new client referred to Upwork. That means if a client spends $200 for the first time, you're gonna get $140. So up to from one single referral, you can earn $150 in total as your affiliate commission. So if I take you to the bottom of the page, just to let you know some other information. So what is the Upwork affiliate program? This is a program from where people can promote their affiliate links and then invite clients to the platform and earn some commissions. Then how do I join the Upwork profile or affiliate programs? So Upwork affiliate programs connects with Impact. So basically you have to click here on this link, and it is going to take you to the Impact page from where you have to sign up with an account. And I have got a complete video about Impact affiliate program, how to join. I'm going to attach that link into the video description if you need. And after that, what can I promote? You can basically promote Upwork job page. You can promote the Upwork catalog page as well. So who can become an Upwork affiliate? Anyone can become an Upwork affiliate, and from anywhere of the world. As you can see, our international affiliates accepted. So if you are living in Nigeria, if you're living in India, if you're living in Bangladesh, which is my country, or from any other countries, you can create an account on Upwork affiliate program. They are going to approve your account, and then you can invite your clients to start earning money. So you already know enough about Upwork affiliate program. It's time to join the affiliate program, get your affiliate link and promote it to your potential clients. And to get started, simply click here on the start earning button. I'm going to attach this link into the video description for your easy access. And after that, you have to provide your personal information and then company information. Instead of this account display name for company information, you can put your name as you are an individual. And after that, fill up all the information. If you need help, I'm going to attach that step-by-step Impact Affiliate Network joining video link into the video description. And after getting your account up and running, simply sign into your Impact account. And then how can you get the link? The process is simple. You're gonna get or find this option, create a link. After that, from here you have to select your affiliate network, which is going to be Upwork, and then you can get this link, or for any specific page you can simply put that landing page here and then click on create, so that you will get a link like this here. And after that, simply copy this link and start promoting your affiliate links. And if you want to learn how you can promote affiliate links other than your clients, you can watch some of the videos I have got on my YouTube channel. If I just show you here, I've got few videos about, let's say, Quora marketing, as you can see, then Twitter affiliate, like how you can promote affiliate links to Twitter. And then I have got some other videos about how you can promote affiliate links on Reddit, how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram, and so on. Simply find them on my YouTube channel. I'm going to attach some of the video links into the video description for your easy access. So other than my YouTube channels, you can watch some other content creators YouTube videos. You can learn more ways how you can promote affiliate links to generate commissions, and you can implement them, and I believe you are going to be able to generate some commissions, as I do with Impact and also with Fiverr affiliate program. So I believe I found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and let me know your opinion by commenting below, and please don't forget to share this video with your fellow freelancer friends, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.